Hi guys, we're here today with our patient Bailey in our new patient bed. So we're going to talk about BIS monitoring for a minute in conjunction with sedation. So we've already applied the sensor. Remember that when you're applying this sensor, you want to make sure that you're pushing all the way around the circle first. And you want to do that each of these for at least 5 seconds. And then afterwards come back and push in the center to make sure it's adhered. You can then come in like I pushed on the BIS, and you can push show sensor and it will do a sensor check for you. So if there's any moment where you're not sure that they're sensing correctly, come in and do the sensor check. So we just want to talk a little bit about the cable setup. So as you can see, we have this cable here that's connected to the sensor strip. You want to make sure this piece is as close to the patient as possible. That's what's helping get rid of any extra mechanical signals in the room. For example, your ventilator, or maybe the patient has a pacemaker that might be interfering with the waveform. And then the cable is connected to this box here on the monitor. On the monitor itself, you can see that we have the BIS number. Remember, it's 0 to 100, telling us Bailey's very awake today, 100 being fully awake. And then down here, we have our EMG number. That is a number that we want to be below 30 if at all possible. Because Bailey's awake, inadvertently moving her face, blinking her eyes, things like that, it's affecting that number and increasing it. As that number goes above 30, then our BIS number can become more unreliable. The SQI number also is a signal quality index. We want that at least above 50. The higher that number is, the more reliable the BIS number is as well. And then you can see that we have a burst suppression rate here that's 0, and that is because Bailey's not on any sedatives, and so there's no suppression whatsoever of her EEG. I want you to watch the EMG number. We're going to have Bailey move her face, wiggle her eyebrows. Perfect. So that you can see the EMG number is increasing, which is going to make our BIS number more unreliable.